Hello creators, welcome to Created Home with G, Gareth here. In today's video we are going to do a autumn topiary using one of these polystyrene cone forms, and this is from Hobbycraft here in the UK, and it measures approximately 28 centimeters and approximately 11¼ inches, and the base measures 4.5 inches and 12.5 centimeters. I'm going to be using ferns, some leaves, some sunflowers in the yellow and orange, some beads, well not beads, berries, some faux wheatgrass, some blue wheatgrass, some blue hydrangeas, and I'm just going to do this with some music over the top. I will try not to speed up too much because I know when I do these type of things people like to see the process, so I'm going to try not to speed up too much and try and put as much in as I can. So let's get started. I'm gluing these leaves on in different directions all over the polystyrene cone. It's been a few years since I've made one of these. The last one I made I will link, so it pops out now. I believe I made that one on camera. I think I did. So I'm kind of using these leaves as foundation. And I can build upon that. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So I'm just going to speed up a little bit. I don't want to bore you guys to tears. I'm sure you get the gist of what I'm doing. Okay crafters, I was running out of flowers and things. I found these in my stash. These are ones I sold in my store when I had my store. So I'm going to use some of these these yellow flowers as well. I was running out of stuff to use. I didn't really want to go out and buy more because there's ample here. I've got plenty of stuff in my stash, and I wanted to utilise what I have rather than going and spending more money and buying more things. So like I said, I'm just going to crack on. I'm just going to speed through this last bit, and then I will bring the end result to camera. Okay crafters, time to add a bit more blue. So I've got these old candle rings that I don't use, and in fact they've been snipped open. And I'm going to utilise some of the beads in that are on them. And they've got blue pumpkins on them as well. So I'm going to utilise some of these as well and pop them in sporadically within this topiary. Okay crafters, here is the finished topiary tree. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and you will see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.